Right, boss, look what we've got here.
Oh, this looks good.
Nice laser level sent in to us by LasGoo Tools.
Well, thank you very much, LasGoo Tools. We'll give it a little look and see what we can do. Let's see what we got in the box then. Was packaged very well. That's a good start. Laser level LG-3D model, and they call it LasGoo. Good. Let's have a look. This has been supplied by LasGoo, and we much appreciate it.
Packaged very well, isn't it?
Very good. What we got there? Oh, let's have a
I
look.
didn't expect it to have a nice case.
No, very good.
So that's really good.
Yeah, got a nice little handle as well. Look,
Wow.
quite compact. That's good. That. No, I like that. Let's have a look. See what we got in the old magic box. Oh yeah, right. Straight away, I can see something which is really good. It's got. Looks like it's got two batteries, which on site is really what you do need. That is like.
Oh, even show you the battery level on there.
Yeah, that's cool. Yeah.
That's good, isn't it?
Yeah. No, well, good that. Okay, so we'll keep one out, but having two batteries is always a plus, definite. Often you see on site people getting little AA batteries. That's an excellent one. So let's have a look. So I'm guessing there we'll put the over there.
Yeah, that's right way.
Cool. I really ought to design that. Right, let's have a little look anyway. So what we got on here? Well, we got the
manual there.
Got a little manual. All the little bits on there. Right. I'm not over familiar with this model, but let's have a look at what we got. So we've got here. I can see there's a pendulum in this. What does all the work? So when you aren't using it, you got to keep it locked. So I'll make sure which is the on and off button, and I'm guessing I could go like, yeah, we've got ignition.
That's good, isn't it?
That's a good, nice bright light. And I always look, if we shine against that wall, we've got the option here. We can either have the one that way, or we can just have it that way. Let's have a little look. Yeah, so we've got the option to do that mode. And we got on here, we've got the mode button. So I'm pressing that. And we've got the vertical look. You can see my perps are out. But no, that's a nice bright light on that, which is always good. Excellent. Now, what we'll do over the next few weeks, we'll incorporate this in some of our things we do, so we can give a bit of a field test. Various buttons on there. So if I now want change that, yeah. We can also use this button to turn it on or off. And if you look at the side, if you lock the pendulum, that turns it off as well. So if we now turn that off, that turns everything off, and that's locked so it don't mess the level up. And so it's like an old grandfather clock. It's basically, well, that go like that. If you don't lock the pendulum, that go out of level.
Yeah.
And we got 3 lasers. Good. What else we got in the package? Let's have a look. So we got the spare battery.
Yeah.
Oh, get that one out there. Pull him out. Little bracket like that. So we've got a magnetic insert. So that's wrong there. That's not metal. That's fiberglass. That's right. That's always find stuff in metal. Oh yeah. Wow, not that you'd put it on there, but that's really got a good.
It's got a good,
get that off.
Good bite to that. Yeah.
So let's see if we can attach this to the level now. Oh, that go up and down like that. Right. Quite a good little gadget.
That's good, isn't it?
If we look underneath, and while I'm handling it, I've always got it locked.
Yeah.
So I ain't got to move it unlocked. So let's get him on there.
Just screw onto it.
Yeah, that's just screw on. It's just a screw in there. Right, get him down there a bit. Get it all together. Probably won't get it like that, I would say. So you got access to all the levels.
Cool. Then that attachment can go on a tripod, can't it?
Yeah, you can get that on a tripod if you want. Look, let's get that on there. Right, I'll just find something magnetic we can stick it to. What we do. That's a bit heat throb. Let's see if that'll work. Job done. Look, that just sticks there.
Wow.
So now we can, if we click it on, get around that side. Guys, there we go. That's set up. That's good. I think we've got to get some good use out of this, and that's a very good looking thing as well. Right, we'll turn that off. That button at the side there. Pull it off. Undo this. LasGoo. We're much appreciated this from the people at LasGoo that contact us after we've been interested in having a little look.
And if you want to buy it yourself, there is a link in the description of the video. I believe our viewers can get a little bit of a discount using the link.
Right,
so,
that's good.
So if you want to get it, I think it might be 10% cheaper than the the usual price. So in the description.
What I think I'll do, because we're going to put it back in its box, we'll take the battery out. So that's all there. Put that in there.
Nice.
And put him like that in there. And we've got a little manual book which will have a real good read, and I say I look forward to using it. I think we can make good use of that. We'll come up with a little project where that we can show you how best to use it. That looks good and it feels, got a good weight to it. Also you got on there, look, you got a USB charging cable.
Yeah.
So that's awesome as well.
Very, very good.
You've got a spotter as well. Laser target. Brilliant. Thank you very much.